somewhere around the suburbs of Chicago. I'm on my way to Schenectady, New York for my first drop. That will be on Thursday at 4 a.m. And the second and final stop will be in Cranston, Rhode Island. Will be somewhere around Providence. Anyway, this video is about, some of you have been asking and wondering what the beeping sound is every time I make a video. And it's this device right there. I'm not exactly sure what the proper name of that, but its primary function is, like right now, it's indicating that I'm only following that truck over there. It's indicating I'm following only 1.4 seconds away. Now it's 1.6 away. It will beep if I come really close to it. Let's see if I can't come close to it. It's hard to do that when you have only a 60-mile-an-hour truck. It's also somewhat like a proximity alarm sensor there. Now it's saying I'm only 1.2 seconds away from that truck. Now it's saying I'm down to 1 second. Alright, now down to 0.9 second. And this device will also tell me if I am drifting out of lane. Okay, so anyway, we've got the proximity following distance issue covered. Watch this. I will deliberately drift out of lane without using my turn signal. As you can see, my turn signal is not activated. And I will cross those zipper lines without using my turn signal, and watch what happens. That's what happens. It will beep. Alright, now let's do this again. Let's do the left side. I'm going to drift into the left zipper. Watch this. That's it right there. Now if I'm going to activate my turn signal. Okay, since, well, we gotta wait for that car over there. If I activate my right turn signal and change lane like so, turn signal on, wait for the car to pass by. Alright, with the turn signal on, I'm going to change lane. Now you see it did not alarm, it did not go off. Right? So anytime the turn signal is on, it will not beep. Also, another function for this device is if I come to a different speed limit change, normally it will beep if I am over speeding above 10 miles per hour. It will give me a warning with different speed zones. And what else? Like right now, it's saying, I'm not exactly sure what that 1.5 or 1.5 is. And it's not always accurate. I don't know how accurate it is to, update the speed limit. Because sometimes it doesn't even show the different you know, the internet, or the, what do you call that, the constructions and people who update the speed limits are not always up to date. Now, this is one primary reason why I don't go over the speed limit, because that's the responsible one to change or to send a signal to my office and saying that I've been speeding and all that stuff. And by the way, this one here relies on that one up there. That's actually the eye. That's got a camera in there. It's the eye of, you know, the sensor, and that's tied up into that one. So basically, that's all the bells and whistles and all the alarms. So every time you guys hear on the video about this sound here, see, I'm drifting out of lane. Let's do that one more time. That way there'll be no questions in my mind and in your mind to what it is. Let's do the left lane. There. And there's a different sound I just noticed. If you notice, okay, let's drift the right lane, see what the sound is. Alright, it's a little hollow. Let's do the left side. Yeah, same thing. But again, let's deliberately follow this truck right here. There. That's the sound there, the single beep, 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 or the single ping. That means I'm following too close. But if I was catching up to that truck at a high rated speed, there's also a real imminent danger alarm kind of a thing there. So that's about it. Anyway, as you can see on my GPS, I am 794 miles away to Schenectady, Canada, New York. So I'll catch you later. Peace.